Alright guys, we're doing an experiment today again, and this time it's gonna be water versus Floetrol. So I already have my paint mixed with water, and now I'm gonna pour just a little bit in here, add some Floetrol to every color, so we have the exact same colors for both canvases, but one with and one without Floetrol. So let's see if it will make a difference. And yeah, this is fun to do. But I noticed with adding Floetrol, the color become less vibrant a little bit. But still looks nice. Okay. Okay, so we're done mixing, and yeah, I'm not gonna use Floetrol in the white, so the white on both canvases will be only mixed with water. Let's start. So this is gonna be the Floetrol painting, and this is gonna be the water painting. Right water, left Floetrol. For you, the other way around probably. Right Floetrol, left water. So I got here my colors, and I'm gonna start with the white base on both canvases, and then just try to pour the same puddles. So, let me see with what color I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna start with the violet. Turquoise. Let's do the light turquoise. Windsor blue. Alright, and then the bronze. Okay. So puddles look the same. Yeah, totally the same. Don't see a difference just yet. So let's pour white around it. Okay, gonna torch both the white. So this is the water. This is okay. Both are having cells. This is funny because here you see the metallic is still in here, and here it's sort of gone. Also much more cells in the Floetrol one. I'm liking this one more already. Okay, well, yeah, there's not a lot of difference in here, but I can see with the Floetrol it has more cells and lacing, so that's beautiful. But we haven't torched these paintings, so let's try that first. Okay. More air bubbles are popping, but no cells. Yeah, there's more metallic in this and more bigger cells. So let's see how it dries and if it stays the same. And yeah, not much of a difference, and I like both a lot. So very cool. So these are the paintings of this experiment. They so much are twins. They are really twins. The water paint, the water canvas, the canvas with the water is a bit wider, and the one with the Floetrol has a more delicate composition and also more lacing and cells and metallic. So I like this one with the Floetrol much more, but I think that I think that happened because when I blow the white over, on this one I blow the white totally over the colors, and here I did not. So I don't know yet if that's what made this one prettier, but yes, I love the one with the Floetrol better. Let me know what you think and what you use for your mixing, and guys, have a great day.